Good morning. It is day 3, and it is a beautiful sea day. And we had such a nice time last night. My friends Kelly and Joy are here. Woo! Here they are. They're dear friends. We went to the 90s show last night. It was a blast, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We had so much fun. I'm so bad with this camera.
Definitely do the 90s show.
Yes. And Joy, you've been enjoying the pools, right? And you think NCL is a lot of fun for kids, right?
Definitely.
Yes.
You can see one of the slides right there. Super fun.
Yes. So we've been having so much fun on this cruise, and today is another sea day for us. So we're gonna be chilling out here on the sun deck. We're gonna be eating, and then tonight we have dinner at Moderno. So I will have some details about the Moderno, the churrascaria that's on board. But what a great day. What a great time we're having. And so we're gonna go enjoy this sun, and we'll catch you all later.
Bye.
I work hard for my money when it's winning time. I hit the door running. He's gonna arrest me after this.
Yeah.
Sexy legs.
Good morning. Welcome to Bermuda. So we are on the ship this morning. As you can see, not too many other people are, and that's a great little tip when you're on these Bermuda cruises and you're here day 1 and everybody gets off. It's a great day to enjoy the ship. At least you can get to a lot of the ship's amenities on day 1 when everybody gets off, and they're off for most of the day. So we're gonna go for a nice morning walk. We're gonna get some coffee and some water, see what people are doing down here on the pool deck. I'm vlogging. Hey, you guys wanna be in the vlog? Lifeboat drill this morning. Crew does lifeboat drills, so that way if there's ever a problem, we're always safe. Still on the morning walk. All right, just got off the ship, waiting for my friends, and we're headed over for a little shopping, just a quick shopping trip. It's so beautiful. The ship looks amazing. Shoo! So the celebrity silhouette is also with us here. Word is the Norwegian Jewel was also here. I took that ship to Alaska, which was great. But anyway, here we are. So we'll get some filming of how you get over here to the dockyard when you get off, and just excited to be here. All right, back on the ship because today is going to be a relaxing day while everybody else is off the ship, as I've mentioned before. Tomorrow we have an exciting adventure planned. I'll keep it at that. Definitely going to do some slides today because it is hot and it is muggy. But it's time for a little bit of lunch first. Me and G-Rap are having lunch at the buffet. We don't know where Carter went. Oh, here's Carter. Carter's having lunch with us too. Where is he?
There he is. By the water, there he is.
Delicious.
And wow.
What's your first name?
Bayou.
Bayou? Bayou.
Justin.
Bayou.
And,
Good looking man, good looking drink. All right, hi everybody. I am at the pool deck today, and I am with Austin, Ernest, Tia. Hey gang, are you all having a great time on the Getaway? I just met these great people. They're amazing. We're having a good time. They're all Adventures by Justin fans as well. We're so glad to have met you all, and have a fantastic trip. It's so great that you're on here. Yeah, we'll see you on the channel. Well, good morning from Bermuda. It is day 5 of our cruise. We're off the ship again this morning to do some exploration. The highlights still coming of this trip, and I'm actually going to find out some information on that right now, as well as do this morning walk. But we're doing the walk out here on shore in the dockyard. All right, so a couple thoughts so far on this trip since I've been on here for about 5 days so far. This has been one of the best cruises I've had in a while. I love coming to Bermuda because Bermuda is so chill, right? You just kind of can get on and off as much as you want. There's a 3-day, docking period, so that always is good. And I just feel like that's really, if you're looking for, like, if you've never been on a cruise before and maybe you don't want a lot of the rocking that comes with floating and sailing every night, you have 2 nights where you aren't moving. So that's really cool too. But everything's been really, really great, as it always is, right? And the other thing that is really been great about the cruise has been the staff on that ship has been so incredible and has been treating us so well every time. every time I interact with them. It's been great. Okay, we are headed back to the ship from Dockyard after doing a little bit of shopping and renting a moped for tomorrow. So we will be filming that experience, which will be so exciting. So that's tomorrow morning. However, on the third day of being here in Bermuda. So I really didn't have anything planned specifically for actually being on the island because I've been here several times before and done many of the experiences. And so I enjoy just coming out, walking around and doing, like, I've been out here walking for the past like hour and a half. And so now I can go back to the ship and relax for the afternoon, which is one of my favorite parts of being in Bermuda is the ship is just so accessible. So tomorrow's moped ride will be a blast. Here he is again, the best looking bartender on the ship, making me a Bahama Mama. Bahama Mama, and he's very nice, encouraging this channel to grow. There he is. Thank you, brother.